Hi, this is Ro, and today is December 1, 2012. Um, this is just a very short video. Today I just had my first shot of tea, and this is my voice, this is my face, and my skin. I've got hairy skin here, and also my legs. My legs are hairy. Yeah. Um, that's it for today. There will be more updates in the next coming days or for a month. Bye.